Picked up a couple more of these Giggle Zone Gold. Now it says 1 in 24 will have a little gold in it, okay? The others are going to have either a rainbow stone, obsidian stone, pyrite, which is fool's gold. Alright, let's open these. Get it out of the way. How many of you have ever opened any of these? If you have, you know that a hammer and stuff like that just don't seem to do much good on it, okay? A little bit of water will start it dissolving and you can open it up and get you gold, hopefully. Chances of you having gold are 1 in 24, remember? Get these out of the way. Now it comes with these tools in it, okay? The tools are a hammer. Just doesn't do much on this thing, okay? You got a shovel. It won't do much on it either, and the brush is absolutely worthless on it, so let's see what we can do here. We're going to open this up. Maybe. There we go. Leave me a comment, let me know if you've opened any of these. Let's get this over here so we don't make a mess, okay? I know I don't have to tell you, but you need to do this over a plate of some kind. You're going to get water and sand and stuff. This is some kind of sand, but I'm not sure what. Now you can see, just doesn't do much. Okay? And the hammer don't do anything either. So we found a little bit of water, okay? And that will dissolve it, and you can find whatever's in it, okay? Alright, well here we are, okay? Little water. Just pour a little water on and it'll dissolve. You'll be able to dig through it then. Now we take our shovel, okay? And you can just go through it. See here? Hello, give me gold, give me gold. No, no gold, another rock. Right. Boy, a little water really helps this, you know, just kind of dissolves everything, all that sand around it. It's all it is, it's just sand. All right. Well, it's a red one. There it is, okay? Not sure what the red one is, but we have another one here. Let's see what we can do with it, okay? Here it is. See, it says gold. The diamonds are white. Now, if you've watched my videos, you'll see I found a diamond, okay? One of the first ones I opened, I think, had a diamond in it. It's a pretty nice little diamond. It's small, but it's real. I haven't found any gold yet, but we're still looking. Okay, we'll get this box open here. There's your tools, stuff right there. The warning about being choking hazard, okay? All the rocks and all are on the back here if you want to look and see what you can find, okay? Because you'll probably find a bunch of them. 1 in 24 has gold. But like I said, just because you bought 24 of them does not mean you're going to get a gold one. That's just a percentage, okay? Get that out of the way. And like I told you, even though it's sand, it is hard, okay? It ain't going to just come apart. A little water will dissolve everything or start making it soft so you can dig into it, okay? See how it does that? Hello, gold, let's go. Oh, no, there's another rock. This one is the darker one, all right. That might be the obsidian, okay? And there's the other one, the red one we found. Kind of a reddish one. Well, we didn't find gold this time, alright? But that's the way it goes. Under the playlist called Giggle Zone, you'll find that diamond one in there too, okay? We got a lot more of these up there, and we'll have more coming too. If you've opened any of these, leave me a comment. Let me know what you found, okay? If you haven't opened them, are you going to? Go check them out. You can get these on Amazon and Google and various places like that, okay? So we'll get you going here. We'll open some more of these as soon as we get them and let you know what we found. All right, there's my 2 rocks. Go check out the playlist called Giggle Zone. I almost said Google. It's Giggle Zone, okay? We got a lot more of these up there, and we've got a lot more coming. Leave us a comment. Tell us what you think about it. Did you find any? Have you found any? Are you going to try these? I like comments. Just say hi. Go jump in the lake, whatever. I like comments, okay? All right, well, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, and see you next time.